Mr. Bean Rowan Atkinson, the story of the man who never gave up on his dreams. Rowan Atkinson was born into a middle-class family and suffered terribly as a child because of his stuttering. He was also teased and bullied at school because of his looks. His bullies thought he looked like an alien. He was soon marked as strange and became a very shy, withdrawn kid who didn't have many friends, so he dived into science. One of his teachers said, "There was nothing outstanding about him. I did not expect him to be a brilliant scientist, but he has proved everyone wrong." Admitted to Oxford University, he started falling in love with acting but couldn't perform due to his speaking disorder. He got his master's degree in electrical engineering before appearing in any movie or TV show. After getting his degree, he decided to pursue his dream and become an actor, so he enrolled in a comedy group, but again, his stammering got in the way. A lot of TV shows rejected him and he felt devastated, but despite the many rejections, he never stopped believing in himself. He had a great passion for making people laugh and knew that he was very good at it. He started focusing more and more on his original comedy sketches and soon realized that he could speak fluently whenever he played some character. He found a way to overcome his stuttering and used this as an inspiration for his acting. While studying for his master's, Rowan Atkinson co-created the strange, surreal, and now speaking character known as Mr. Bean. He had success with other shows. Mr. Bean made him globally famous, and despite all the obstacles he faced because of his looks and his speaking disorder, he proved that even without a heroic body or a Hollywood face, you can become one of the most loved and respected actors in the world. The motivational success story of Rowan Atkinson is so inspiring because it teaches us that to be successful in life, the most important things are passion, hard work, dedication, and never giving up without caring about our feelings and weaknesses. Moral of the story: no one is born perfect. Don't be afraid. People can accomplish amazing things every day in spite of their weaknesses and failures. So go and do the best you can with the one life you've got.